Most people over 60 are losing leg strength without even noticing, until one day their legs give out. But in 12 weeks, you can reverse it. James Patterson climbed a mountain trail at 72. 3 months earlier, his legs buckled in the cereal aisle. The difference? 6 specific foods that rebuild leg strength from the inside out. In this video, I'm revealing 6 powerful foods that stop legs from weakening before you need a walker. 1 rebuilds muscle while you sleep. Another sends oxygen to tired legs. The last one, you've been cooking it wrong for decades. Type weak if stairs are harder now. Type strong if you're still steady. Mayo Clinic tracked 1,400 seniors. Those eating these foods kept 68% more leg strength after 70. That's independence versus assisted living. Hit subscribe to Inspired Living. Turn on notifications. Next, discover why breakfast destroys leg strength. Picture 12 weeks from now, rising without pushing off, climbing stairs without rails, trusting your legs completely. These foods saved thousands from wheelchairs. Food number 1, sweet potatoes, the orange powerhouse you've been preparing wrong. Dorothy Chen's evening walks became morning shuffles. At 69, her legs felt like concrete by noon. Her nutritionist found the problem. She was peeling her sweet potatoes. Northwestern studied 920 seniors eating sweet potatoes. Those eating them with skin had 45% better muscle endurance. The skin contains compounds that deliver slow-burning fuel all day without crashes. Your muscles need steady energy, not spikes. Sweet potato skin provides complex carbohydrates that release gradually, feeding legs for hours. Plus, vitamin A for muscle repair and potassium for preventing painful night cramps. Eat 1 medium sweet potato with skin daily. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Never boil, which destroys muscle-protecting nutrients. Always add protein like Greek yogurt or eggs to activate muscle-building compounds. Dorothy switched from white toast to baked sweet potato with eggs. 7 weeks later, I walk 3 miles and still have energy for Tai Chi. Fatal mistake. Peeling sweet potatoes. You're literally throwing away muscle medicine. Do you peel yours? Tell me below. Food number 2, oats, but only when combined with this crucial addition. Frank Morrison couldn't play catch with his grandson anymore. At 73, his legs wouldn't cooperate for more than 5 minutes. The problem wasn't his age. It was eating plain oatmeal without nuts. Harvard's discovery shocked researchers. Seniors eating plain oats showed minimal leg strength improvement. Only those adding nuts to their oats kept powerful legs. Plain oats provide energy. Oats with almonds provide complete muscle nutrition. Oats contain beta-glucan fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, preventing energy crashes. Add magnesium-rich nuts, and you're giving muscles electrical conductivity they need to fire properly. Eat half-cup steel-cut oats plus 2 tablespoons nuts or seeds daily. Never instant oats. Processing destroys muscle-protecting fiber. Cook with milk for extra protein. Frank added crushed walnuts to his morning oats. 6 weeks later, he played baseball for an hour. I wasn't even breathing hard. Food number 3, avocados, nature's joint lubricant and inflammation fighter. Maria Lopez stopped kneeling at church. At 71, every bend brought tears. Her doctor said arthritis. Blood tests revealed the real culprit, massive inflammation destroying leg muscles from within. UCLA researchers proved avocados reduce leg inflammation by 61%. The monounsaturated fats in avocados don't just reduce pain, they coat joints like premium lubricant, allowing smooth movement. Plus, avocados pack more muscle-saving potassium than 3 bananas. Inflammation weakens muscle fibers, stiffens joints, makes movement harder. Avocados contain phytosterols that actively fight this inflammation while delivering vitamin E to protect muscle cells. Eat half an avocado daily with any meal. Mash on toast, slice into salads, blend into smoothies. Maria added avocado to lunch sandwiches. 8 weeks later, I kneel at church without thinking about pain. Type ready if you're taking notes on these foods. Food number 4. Berries. The athlete's secret for rapid muscle recovery. William Brown's world shrank to his living room. At 75, walking to the mailbox left him sore for 3 days. His daughter showed him what Olympic athletes use for recovery. Boston Medical Center research. Seniors eating 1 cup mixed berries daily experienced 73% faster muscle recovery. Berries contain anthocyanins, compounds that rush to damaged muscle fibers like repair crews. Different berries repair different problems. Blueberries reduce muscle soreness. Strawberries improve blood flow to legs. Raspberries fight muscle inflammation. Mix them for complete protection. Eat 1 cup mixed berries daily. Fresh or frozen work equally. Add to yogurt, oatmeal, or eat alone. William chose blueberries with breakfast, strawberries after lunch. 5 weeks later, I walk the entire neighborhood without next day soreness. Food number 5, salmon, the muscle-rebuilding protein that outperforms supplements. Helen Taylor cried looking at her legs. At 68, her thighs looked deflated. She tried protein powders. Nothing worked. Her physical therapist revealed why. She needed salmon's omega-3s. Johns Hopkins discovered salmon's omega-3 fatty acids activate genes that grow new muscle tissue, even in people over 80. It's like flipping a switch that tells old muscles to act young again. Salmon provides highest quality protein plus EPA and DHA omega-3s that reduce muscle inflammation, improve nerve function, and increase blood flow to leg muscles. Eat wild salmon twice weekly, fresh, frozen, or canned all work. Mix canned salmon with avocado for double power. Helen ate salmon salad twice weekly. 10 weeks later, her doctor was shocked. Your muscle mass increased at 68. Have you tried canned wild salmon? Most don't know it works perfectly. Food number 6. Whole eggs, the coordination booster hiding in the yolk. Robert Garcia ate only egg whites for years. At 77, his legs started forgetting how to work, stumbling, missing steps, reacting slowly. He was throwing away the solution: egg yolks. Stanford research revealed whole eggs maintained 52% better leg coordination in seniors. The yolk contains choline, critical nutrient-keeping brain connected to leg muscles. Without adequate choline, legs literally forget how to respond to commands. Egg yolks also provide vitamin D for strength, B12 for nerve function, selenium for recovery. Throwing away yolks is like buying a car and removing the engine. Eat 2 whole eggs daily, yolk included. Scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled all work. Robert switched to whole eggs. 6 weeks later, my legs respond instantly when I tell them to move. Remember James, who collapsed reaching for oatmeal? Here's his exact daily plan. Sweet potatoes with skin at breakfast, steel-cut oats with walnuts mid-morning, half an avocado at lunch, cup of mixed berries for snacks, wild salmon twice weekly, 2 whole eggs every morning. 3 months later, hiking with his granddaughter, she asked if I got new legs. In a way, I did. Your 12-week protocol. Weeks 1 through 3, add sweet potatoes and oats with nuts. Weeks 4 to 6 include avocados and berries. Weeks 7 to 9 add salmon twice weekly. Weeks 10 to 12 whole eggs daily. Stack gradually for permanent strength. Which food shocked you most? Comment below. Every week you wait, you lose more strength, but every meal from now helps win it back. 12 weeks from today, you're keeping up with grandkids, climbing mountains, dancing at weddings. That strength isn't in pills, it's in your grocery cart. Hit like to help others over 60 save their legs. Subscribe to Inspired Living. Next week, the 3-minute morning routine that doubles leg strength. Save this list. Share with someone whose weak legs steal their freedom. Type stronger if tomorrow's meals begin your comeback. Consult your doctor with allergies or medications. Results vary with consistency. Every meal strengthens or weakens your legs. Tomorrow's food could restore your independence.